guys, how you doing? So for today's video, I wanted to give you guys some ideas, some date night tips, some gifts for couples from me to you. And we're gonna get right into it because I have nothing else to say and you're probably gonna click off if I keep talking. So let's get it started. So I have some money if you got some ideas, and I have some if you don't got some money ideas. So the first one I want to get into is a couples massage. And as good as that sounds, if you got some money, honey, you can do it. That is a really good way to relax and chill out. Couple massage, always a good way to go. Another way is a movie and bowling. That's always so much fun. Bowling gets out the competition side. If y'all are very competitive, that's always a good way to go. And then also movie, sit back, chill out, lay down, you know, go to the AMC, get those little relaxing chairs and do it like that. So that's always good too. Another way, which is like kind of like my ending of like if you got some money, travel somewhere new. Do something. It doesn't have to necessarily be on like Valentine's Day, but if you surprise them like, hey, in this month or on this day we're going somewhere different, that's always a good way to go. Surprise them with like travel tickets, or just surprise them with anything. Going on a trip somewhere, just you two, a little couples retreat, that'd be really Gucci. Also, get tickets to like a pro game, hockey, football, basketball, baseball, that kind of stuff. Let's go on to the least expensive stuff. Now, moving on to our least expensive stuff, you guys can do a fort, like a movie Under the Stars. I think that's so cute, just to create like a little fort. That's cute. Eat some popcorn, eat some, you know, little pizza rolls, put on a movie that you both like. That's so cute. That's always a good way to go. Have competitions. Make each other your like favorite foods, so you can make their favorite foods the better. Yeah, you guys could always eat in for dinner instead of going out. Like every other couple, eat in for dinner, make each other some food, laugh, watch a movie, you know, hang out, get to know each other, you know, a little more than you already do. You could always go to bed early, watch some TV in your bed. Gift ideas, I've seen this thing, it's like called the 5 senses, and you just get literally something for each sense. It's not for all ages, but adults definitely would like it. So another way is to look on past Valentine's Day that you guys have spent together. If it's your first one, I don't know, make ideas for the future ones. But if it's like your 15th one, you know, look back at what you guys have gotten, look back at your love story, look back at all this stuff. You know, like people don't do that enough. They don't look back at how they fell in love and like how they spent the years together. So you could always do that. That's a really great idea. Another idea is obviously cards and exchanging gifts and seeing who got the better gift, that kind of stuff. Cards are a really good way to go. I feel like they're so underrated. People are like, I don't want to get them a card. Make them a card. Cards are expensive nowadays. Just make them a card. I think those are super cute. Yeah, super cute. But yeah, that is literally all I got for you for the couples ideas, couples gifts, couples everything. So I really hope you guys like this video. I did make a gifts for her and a gifts for him. I'll link them down below so you guys can watch them, and also put them at the end, so you guys can just go ahead and click on them. Make sure to like this video to give me more ideas, comment as well, and then subscribe to watch those videos. So yeah, positive note of the day, still the same thing. Love each other and love yourself always, ever, and blah blah blah. So thank you guys for watching, and I love you. Bye bye.